Hi everybody, so today let's talk about how to use Kraken Pro trading feature. So to use the Kraken Pro trading feature, you have to navigate to the Kraken Pro dashboard and select a trading pair. Then choose your order type in the order entry widget and enter the amount you want to trade, and then tap buy or sell to execute your order. So to use Kraken Pro trading, what you have to do is access and customize the interface first. Just use your standard Kraken credentials at the Kraken Pro web platform or download the Kraken Pro mobile app from a Google Play Store or Apple Play Store. When the interface is built on customizable widgets, you can drag, drop, and resize widgets like charts, order book, and open orders to suit your personal trading style. Now select your market. Use the market selector to choose the asset pair you want to trade. You can filter markets by categories like top gainers, newly listed, or your personalized favorites. Now place your order. Open your Kraken app. Now once you open it, choose your action. Select either buy or sell tab. Now once you select it, select your order type. Select your order type. If you select market order, it will execute immediately at the best available current market price. Now if you select limit order, it will execute only at a specific price you define or better. Now if you select advanced order, for more control, you can utilize instructions like stop loss, take profit, or time in force instructions. Now type in the amount of the asset you want to trade or use the percentage sliders. Then tap the buy or sell button to place your trade. Now to monitor and manage trades, check the button section of the screen to see your active limit orders, filled trades, and current portfolio positions. You can quickly cancel or edit active orders directly from the open orders widget or drag or modify them directly on your trading chart. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.